Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the operating system and whether the app is 32-bit or 64-bit, because the wrong DLL bitness breaks things. Once you have that, create a system restore point and back up any registry keys you might touch so you can revert. Next, open an elevated command prompt. You need the exact DLL name and where the error reports it. This avoids guessing. Make sure to note whether the app runs from program files or a custom folder. Then proceed to targeted fixes. Once you know the file and location, search System32, syswow64 and the Applications folder. Sometimes the DLL is present but blocked or mismatched. If missing, extract the correct version from the original installer or reinstall the application to get the matching file. Do not download random DLLs. After placing the file, unregister old instances with regsver32/u when applicable. Then register the new DLL with regsver32DLL. Finally, set NTFS permissions so the app can read the file and restart the service or app. Finish by restarting the system and running sfc/scano. If that flags issues, run dism to repair the component store. Once done, reproduce the error. If it persists, inspect Event Viewer and use Dependency Walker or Process Monitor to find missing dependencies or permission denials. If you still see a problem, roll back to the restore point you made or do a clean reinstall of the application. Remember, if you try to download a DLL and things worsen, revert immediately and use trusted sources only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.